everybody.
Good morning. I can't even
It's
get in.
cold.
It is freezing.
It is so cold outside.
Guess who didn't bring a coat?
This one.
Sorry.
All right, so today we are over here in the Binghampton area.
Yes.
And real close to Carnita's Village, which is one of our favorite places in the whole world to eat lunch.
I think it's Carnita's
Oh,
Village.
what did I say?
Carnitas.
I only said that because Benjamin had carnitas last night for dinner.
Carnita's Village is one of our favorites.
Yes.
And
It's one of our favorites, yes.
we're on Yale, but like this whole neighborhood, there's whoa!
I'm giving you a little view of the house.
There's Harvard and Oxford and all sorts
Yeah.
of fun streets over here.
Okay, that's enough.
I feel like I'm just
But I'm
smarter.
freezing.
I feel like I'm just smarter just being in this area.
Of
Oh
course.
my gosh, Stephanie, it's cold. We gotta go
It's
in.
so cold. Okay, so this house is 3 bedrooms.
1.5 baths. Look at this.
I know, we got
The
a little
listing agent
we got a
printed it
little
up
flyer.
for us.
Yes, we've got all. This house is, I would say, if I had to guess, is pretty much totally. There's a lot of stuff going on around here,
On this street.
and there may be a white van. There's a white van in the parking lot. That's okay.
But we're together.
We don't like white vans.
We're
Okay.
together.
So, all right. Anyway, this house.
Oh, hang on.
This house has been totally redone. Yeah.
I'm turning it down. I'm pulling up
New
Facebook
siding
Live.
on the outside, new grass on the front.
Look, I have a
new
list.
paint.
Central heat and air, nice front porch, ceiling fans, new concrete driveway, hardwood floors, new paint and appliances, new cabinets and countertops, new hot water heater, a spacious laundry room, and an excellent location. And did it say new cabinets? I did say new cabinets. The cabinets are really nice.
Yes, and I mean even like the washer. I mean not the washer, the refrigerator and the stove and all that is brand new too.
1,188 square feet.
Yes.
Totally renovated inside and out in the Broad Street district.
Yes.
Convenient to schools, shopping, the Memphis Zoo, Overton Square, and I-40. That's what this says.
Yeah.
I'm going with it.
All right, you're all ready?
Hey.
Guess the price.
That's right. I've got
That's the
Facebook
price.
Live pulled up. So
Yep.
if you have any questions, let me know. But our first question is, Stephanie, when can we go inside?
We're going
It's so
right now.
cold.
We're going right now. I'm going to turn Now can you hear us?
Oh
No,
no.
do we need to go back? We need to go back.
Benjamin and Ashley, do we need to go back?
Let's go back. We'll go back and do it again. Sorry guys. I was having some technical difficulties with this phone today. I know, I'm gonna get it before. All right, so living room and nice hardwood floors that they've redone. They kept all of the molding around the windows, which I love. Into the kitchen where they've got tons and tons of room, cabinets where you can put your 4 Instapots and your 15 crock pots.
Benjamin said we need to start over.
Start over?
Like go outside? He said it went silent at the door. Can you hear us now? We don't have to go outside and do it.
No, I don't want to go outside. It's cold. That's the pantry. That's the pantry over there. Okay, we're going to keep going. I'm not going back outside. I love y'all, but I'm not going back outside. It's too cold. Okay, Jennifer asked what I would do in this room, and I said that I would probably make it an office because of the doorway leading to the outside. I mean, this would be a cute little baby room, but you don't want the outdoor. You don't want the door.
I wouldn't want an exterior door.
No, you
for
should
sure.
probably make this like a little office. You could maybe make it a little TV room. All right. Are they saying anything else?
Benjamin said that we're good.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Sorry, guys. All right. So here's the updated bathroom. Very nice.
Yeah, Stephanie says she's not going back outside.
Very nice job in the bathroom.
I love the wainscoting.
Yes. I like the tile. I mean, it's pretty.
Here's what I'm going to tell you. I also like that the
Wainscoting.
ceiling is sloped in here for people that are taller, so you just stand way back here because it just goes up. Yep.
Yep. See how the
The
ceiling.
vanity's cute.
The vanity is really cute. Okay.
Woo, I can feel that heat. Thank
I know.
goodness.
Phew. All right, and then you go in here to a little hallway, and then this is bedroom number 2. A little bit bigger than the first bedroom. Little tiny closet.
You know, Stephanie,
Here's the backyard.
I did notice that the closets in here are pretty small.
Yeah.
This is a pretty big area right here. You could probably buy a wardrobe or something from IKEA
Definitely.
for clothes and things like that.
Yeah.
If that is not enough closet space for you, and look, I have 100 items in my closet. That would be pretty small for even me.
You have 100 items in your closet?
I do.
I'm impressed.
I do.
Did you actually count them to know that you exactly have 100 items? Because that is even more impressive to me.
Well, you know.
All right, this is bedroom number 3. And it's about the same size as bedroom number 2. Closet's a little bigger. So,
Is it?
yeah, just a little bigger.
It's a little bigger. But again, this hallway is big.
Beautiful floors. Beautiful, beautiful floors. All right, and then here, can we guess what this is?
I don't
wonder
know.
what this could be. Could it be the laundry room?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep. Well,
It's got
laundry
the-
room. I like that it has a big enough. You know, a lot of houses back in this area have the stackable washers and dryers, and I like that this one you could fit a regular washer and dryer.
Or it's a washer and dryer that's in the laundry in the kitchen.
True. Oh, you're just turning the lights
I was
on.
just turning lights.
Okay, and then here's a little half bath.
Cute.
Little half bath needs a mirror. Nice little toilet area. Okay, I like the colors. I mean, this color right here, this kind of orangey, yellowy color, is probably not my favorite, but I think it.
turn the light on.
But I think it goes with. I think it goes with everything in the house. It matches the floors really good.
It looks good with this green. They have a green back here and kind of a gray and a.
And a blue in the
I
kitchen.
don't know what this color is.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. All right, do we have anybody that's guessed the price?
Do we need to go back outside?
Yeah. We need somebody to guess the price. Guess the price. Dun, 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 dun. Anybody guess the price? I'm gonna turn the camera around. Hi, everybody. Okay, so here we are again. We're still at the house. Anybody guess the price? Anybody at all? Anybody guess the price?
It's a really good sized living room.
It is. It's a great house. And now I'm hot.
I'm still cold.
This is what happens. I
I'm
get
still
hot,
cold.
and then I'm cold, and then I'm hot, and then I'm cold. So.
We don't really have any snacks today to try. That's
No.
because we went to Muddy's right before we came here. Because Muddy's is 1.4 miles from
True.
the house.
I had a bacon and pimento cheese scone. It was excellent.
The address is 2580 Yale Road,
Yep.
Ashley.
Yep.
2580 Yale Road, and it is completely redone in here.
Yeah, I would say it's been completely redone.
And
Smooth ceilings, new paint. Yeah.
new vents,
Yep.
some new windows, not all new windows, but some new windows.
Oh, hey guys, I wanted to tell you, and I've been meaning to tell you this for the last couple of weeks, but our wonderful broker at Groom & Company has put all of our videos on YouTube, which is awesome. So if you'll go and search up Groom & Company on YouTube, you can watch all of our videos, you can subscribe, and then that's another way you can watch our videos when they come on in case you missed them on Facebook. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Estate in the 901, where we do a lot of things over there. Ask lots of questions,
Play some games.
play games, post funny stuff. So sometimes that's easier a little bit than it is on Facebook, because Facebook gets a little overwhelming when people just continually post.
Yeah.
So anyway, if you'll make sure you follow both of us on Instagram, and then follow Real Estate in the 901 on Instagram, and then also follow us on YouTube, where all of our videos, all of our walkthrough Wednesdays have been put on our YouTube page, which is at Groom & Company.
Yeah, I mean, do you ever go down a video rabbit hole?
Oh my gosh. I won't even talk about the fact that I've started watching the TikTok.
You have TikTok now?
I don't have TikTok, but I watch TikTok, and I can sit there for hours. Hours. It's ridiculous.
So Facebook now has this little thing, where you can watch videos.
Mhm.
And like when you watch one, it'll send you more that are similar to that. And I'm not going to talk about it.
Yeah, I know. Hours. It's ridiculous.
I'm not going to talk about it.
Ridiculous.
Ashley gives us a guess of $169.9.
Whew, you're close, Ashley. The price is,
It's been reduced.
it has been reduced, is now $149.
Look, we had this awesome little sheet, so we didn't forget.
$149. We know where we are, we know all the facts, and we know the price. We're good.
We are at 2580 Yale in Memphis. Did we get earlier that we're on Yale and there's a Harvard and an Oxford and all kinds of things?
I don't know if everybody heard that, but
I'm smarter
it
now.
makes you smarter to live on Yale and near Harvard.
Just being here, and we're very close to Carita's Village.
Coritas, which is our favorite place to eat lunch.
Yes,
I've even taken Benjamin there.
yes. I've taken Fred.
It's good.
I'm actually going there tomorrow.
All right. Don't forget, guys, follow